Education plays a vital role in our life. It differentiates us from the rest of the creatures on Earth and helps us to improve ourselves from within. It nourishes our character and broadens our perspective towards life. Education helps to transform an individual to be a better and responsible citizen. All the power and progress achieved by human beings is because of education. It teaches us morals, justice, ethics and tolerance. It is because of education that a person can live a dependent life. Successful and Education is a ray of light in the darkness. Without education, a person is like who is stuck in a dark room with no entry and exit. Education is a weapon to enhance one's life. It is reasonably the most powerful tool to improve one's life. A child's education begins at home. It is a lifetime process that finishes with death. Sometimes education proves itself a life changer. Education improves a man's knowledge, skill and helps him develop his personality and attitude.